How to change the voice language for heroes in Farlight 84. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you are in Farlight 84 and want to change the voice language for your heroes, then first of all go ahead and open up the game on your device, and from the main home page go to the top left and tap on the gear icon. This will open settings. From the bottom menu, go ahead and select Game, and inside Game, tap on Language from the top. Inside the Language section, go to Voice Packs and tap on More Voice Packs option. Choose the voice pack you want to download and tap the Download button to do so, and wait for the download to complete. Once it completes, you can go ahead and select the voice pack you want to use, and that way you will be able to change the voice language for heroes in Farlight 84. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.